guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie. For any of you guys that don't know me, I am a hairstylist located in the Texas area, and I do videos about lifestyle, beauty, and you know, my unsolicited opinion every now and then. So today's video is going to be a week in my life, as you can see by the title. It is Thursday, so my week is starting off today due to the fact that I've been off for the last 2 days. So I thought I'd take you along with me in the salon and kind of show you guys some of the guests that I'm working on and some of the colors and things like that. Hopefully I'll be able to get some good footage for you guys because it is really hard to film in the salon. I am so forgetful sometimes, and sometimes I forget to take before and after pictures. Hopefully we'll get some good shots for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below, and I'll see you later. Bye. Okay guys, so it is Thursday and I am currently on my way to work. I just left my house. I have to be at work by 10 and it's 9:30. I live about 30 minutes away. So I'll make it there right at 10. And I made breakfast. I don't think I showed you guys. I just boiled some eggs though. I listened to a podcast this morning. One of my favorite podcasts is the Earn Your Happy podcast by Lori Harder, and today's podcast like resonated with me so much because I'm currently reading the book Girl Wash Your Face, and like Lori's podcast was all about accepting and saying no and being okay with saying no, and I just finished reading the chapter in Rachel's book where it talks about saying no, so I was like in awe. I was like, this is a sign from the universe. I was supposed to read this. So that was like a really cool like insight I got this morning. So today I have 2 appointments in the salon. I have a full color. I think it's just an all over color. I'm not too sure like exactly what it is or what she's gonna get. And then I also have a wax today. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. Okay guys, so I am currently on my lunch break. I didn't get to film too much earlier because I had a change in my schedule. My color that I thought is actually on Friday, but I had a manicure this morning, and then I just did a waxing. I did the eyebrows, lip, and underarms, and then at 1 I have a Brazilian wax. So that's like the day so far. But yeah, I'm just on lunch. I just have chicken and I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Okay guys, so I am back in my car and I feel like I look so greasy. The AC is on because it is 99 degrees right now. The last thing you guys saw me doing was doing my nails. I did them these. I don't really like the color. It looks old lady to me, so I'll probably change it. But my Brazilian wax actually no-showed me, which is extremely annoying. But I did $69 in services today, which isn't a lot. But hopefully for the rest of the week, my books are busy. I have a full foil tomorrow, and I'll probably get some walk-ins because I'm closing. And Saturday, I have a color and a cut. So that's that. I'm just gonna head home.